In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix screen mirroring not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it. Once your network stabilizes, check if screen mirroring works. Next up, check Wi-Fi connection. Click on the option Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone and the device you are mirroring to are on the same Wi-Fi network. Next up, check your Play settings. For that, head back. Click on the option General, click on the option Europlay and Continuity. Click on the option Automatically Europlay and set it to Automatic. Next up, disable VPN. For that, head back. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If connected, disconnect to it and try screen mirroring again. This might fix your issue. Next, reset network settings. For that, head back. Scroll down and click on the option Reset. Click on the option Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you want to do is first restart your device. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone restarts, check screen mirroring. That's it. These steps would fix most screen mirroring issues on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.